Guys, this is Alexandre Zar, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the battery on a Lenovo Legion Y520. So it's pretty straightforward. You take the laptop, you use a Phillips head screwdriver like this one, PH0. You undo them bolts which are on the back of the laptop. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts on the bottom. Again, you have 1 bolt on the middle left side, 2 bolts on top left side. Then you've got 2 bolts in the top center side, 1 bolt in the center, 1 screw actually on the center right side, and 2 screws on the top right side. And then it's a matter of prying something very thin over here, but something that can withstand tension, so you can pop up the back case. Start by prying the housing from the USB charging port, and I'm using this type of tool, resting on one of the edges over here, and actually something like this. You get a motion like this. Go round and round until you raise it just enough. Battery is over here. It's this one, this big one. It's held in by screws here, here, and here. And it has electrical connector over here. Electrical connector, you press against it in this direction and it should pull out like this. And now it's a matter of unloosening the screws. It has 1 screw here, 1 screw here, and 2 over here. This is how you remove it. There's the battery. So this is the old battery. It has something really odd going on over here. Well, this one is in perfect shape. Now, let's see. The codes match. We've got the old one, Lenovo, between 0 and 60. Now 11.52. This isn't good. Slightly higher amps, but not the same voltage. L14M3 P24. Something's not right.